Antonio Eduardo Bermeo Nachura, June 13, 1941, March 13, 2022, was a Filipino jurist who was an associate justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. He took his oath of office as Associate Justice on February 7, 2007, and occupied the position until his mandatory retirement on June 13, 2011. Previously, Nachura had been Solicitor-General of the Philippines at the time his appointment to the court was announced on January 31, 2007, by then Philippine President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Born in Catbalogan, Nachura was a graduate of the San Beda College of Law. He placed 7th in the 1,967 bars examinations. In addition, he held a Doctor of Public Management from the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Manila. From his years as a professor of law and a bar reviewer, Nachura has earned wide respect as an expert in political law. He was the dean of the Arellano Law School from 1992 to 1994. He resigned as dean in 1994 to accept an appointment as Undersecretary of the Department of Education, Culture, and Sports. In 1998, Nachura was elected congressman in the House of Representatives, representing the 2nd District of Samar. He served in the 11th Congress and the 12th Congress. He was an unsuccessful candidate for re-election to the 13th Congress in 2004. In February 2006, Nachura was named Chief Presidential Legal Counsel by President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. The following month, Nachura was appointed Solicitor-General on March 17, 2006, replacing Alfredo Benepeo. In his capacity as Solicitor General, Nachura has represented the Republic of the Philippines in various cases pending before the courts, including such high-profile cases before the Supreme Court as the People's Initiative cases decided in October 2006. Personal life, Nachura died on March 13, 2022, at the age of 80. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.